Hello everyone and welcome to our Solar System Adventure Series. Today we're diving deep into the mysteries of the planet Pluto, or more precisely, the dwarf planet Pluto. Are you ready to explore this fascinating topic? In this episode, we'll answer 10 super cool questions about Pluto. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for fun and educational videos packed with awesome tips and exciting content for both parents and kids. Now let's meet our space experts. Say hello to Miss C.
Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to share some cool facts about Pluto with you. Let's blast off.
And here's Mr. G.
Hi, friends. Ready to learn about Pluto? It's going to be out of this world.
Here are the questions we'll explore together today. What is Pluto and where is it located in our solar system? Why was Pluto once called the ninth planet? What is the name of the spacecraft that visited Pluto in 2015? Can you name one interesting fact about Pluto's surface? How long does it take for Pluto to orbit the Sun once? What are Pluto's moons called and how many does it have? Why did scientists decide to change Pluto's status from a planet to a dwarf planet? Is Pluto made mostly of rock, ice, or gas? What do you think? How big is Pluto compared to Earth? What do you find most fascinating about Pluto and why? Alright, let's get started with our first question. What is Pluto and where is it located in our solar system?
Pluto is a small celestial body that is classified as a dwarf planet. It's found in the Kuiper Belt, which is a region beyond Neptune filled with icy objects.
That's right. Pluto is the most famous dwarf planet, and it's located far away from us, way out in the cold reaches of our solar system.
Great answers! Now on to our second question. Why was Pluto once called the ninth planet?
Pluto was designated as the ninth planet back in 1930 when it was discovered. People thought it was the last planet in our solar system.
Exactly. It was considered special because it was the furthest known object from the Sun at that time, fitting neatly into the lineup of our planets.
Here's a fun one for you both. What is the name of the spacecraft that visited Pluto in 2015?
That would be New Horizons. It was the first spacecraft to fly by Pluto and send back amazing photos.
New Horizons took some incredible pictures of Pluto's surface and gathered lots of data, helping us learn so much about our little friend.
Now let's dig into Pluto's surface. Can you name one interesting fact about Pluto's surface?
Sure, Pluto has a giant heart-shaped ice formation called Tombaugh Regio. It's so cool.
And did you know that there are massive ice mountains on Pluto? Some even look like they might be flowing, like glaciers on Earth.
Wow, Pluto sounds really unique. Now, how long does it take for Pluto to orbit the Sun once?
Pluto takes about 248 Earth years to go around the Sun. That's a long time.
Yes, that means a year on Pluto is way longer than a year here on Earth. Imagine having to wait that long for your birthday.
And what about Pluto's companions? What are Pluto's moons called and how many does it have?
Pluto has 5 known moons. The largest one is called Charon. It's pretty big compared to Pluto.
That's right. The other 4 moons are called Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. They're all like little friends spinning around Pluto.
Now for an interesting discussion. Why did scientists decide to change Pluto's status from a planet to a dwarf planet?
Scientists redefined what a planet is, and Pluto didn't meet all the new criteria. It shares its orbit with other objects in the Kuiper Belt, so it became a dwarf planet.
Exactly. Because it hasn't cleared its orbit of other debris, it didn't fit the definition of a full planet anymore. It's like having a class of kids where one kid can't claim the whole playground.
Interesting explanation. Next questions. Is Pluto made mostly of rock, ice, or gas? What do you think?
Pluto is mostly made of ice and rock. Its surface is covered with frozen nitrogen and lots of interesting icy materials.
Definitely. If you could touch it, you'd feel the icy texture, the opposite of a gas giant like Jupiter.
Now let's get a sense of size. How big is Pluto compared to Earth?
Pluto is tiny compared to Earth. It's about 1/6 the size of our planet, so you could fit about 6 Plutos inside Earth.
Or think of it this way. If Earth were a basketball, then Pluto would be like a small marble.
And for our final question, what do you find most fascinating about Pluto, and why?
I love how Pluto has such a diverse surface. Ice mountains, glowing plains, and that heart-shaped feature. There's so much to explore.
I'm fascinated that despite being so far away, Pluto still has seasons like Earth. Can you imagine what that must be like so far from the sun?
Well, that wraps up our exciting journey to Pluto today. Thank you for joining us. Remember, there's a whole universe out there waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep looking.